I have a problem. I have a problem.
Tell me about it. Tell me about it.
I got hired at a restaurant and a clothing store. I got hired at a restaurant and a clothing store.
What's the problem? What's the problem?
I can only work for one of them. I can only work for one of them.
I think you should work at the restaurant. I think you should work at the restaurant.
Tell me why. Tell me why.
Folding clothes is annoying. Folding clothes is annoying.
What else is bad about clothing stores? What else is bad about clothing stores?
Customers always mess up the clothes. Customers always mess up the clothes.
Anything else? Anything else?
You get tips at restaurants. You get tips at restaurants.
That's a good point. That's a good point. I want to be a doctor. I want to be a doctor.
Why do you want to be a doctor? Why do you want to be a doctor?
Doctors make a lot of money. Doctors make a lot of money.
Doctors also have to go to school for a long time. Doctors also have to go to school for a long time.
Never mind. I want to be an engineer. Never mind. I want to be an engineer.
Why do you want to be an engineer? Why do you want to be an engineer?
Engineers make a lot of money. Engineers make a lot of money.
Will you be happy though? Will you be happy though?
If I have a lot of money, I will be happy. If I have a lot of money, I will be happy.
Money doesn't equal happiness. Money doesn't equal happiness.
But I can buy whatever I want with money. But I can buy whatever I want with money.
You can't buy friends, family, or love. You can't buy friends, family, or love.
I just turned 18 yesterday. I just turned 18 yesterday.
18 is a great age. 18 is a great age.
What's so great about being 18? What's so great about being 18?
You can get a job. You can get a job.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that.
You have to get a work permit, though. You have to get a work permit, though.
Thanks for telling me. Thanks for telling me.
No problem. Tell me when you get a job. No problem. Tell me when you get a job.
Is it hard to get one? Is it hard to get one?
Yes, employers don't like to hire people under 20. Yes, employers don't like to hire people under 20.
That's going to change when they meet me. That's going to change when they meet me.
Your confidence will surely get you a job. Your confidence will surely get you a job.